Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP Envy Inspire 7920E printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for HP Envy Inspire 7200E driver and go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP Envy Inspire 7200E series software and drivers. Go ahead and open that up. And then once you've done that, you want to go ahead and just scroll down on this page underneath the installation software driver and full basic driver support. So it's actually the second category. You can select the online option. It's a little smaller of a download, or the offline use. We're going to select the online one because it's a little smaller in size. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file to extract it. And select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. It should be from a verified publisher. Give that a moment. And then you can go ahead and just configure that printer settings based on your needs. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.